Hello and welcome to AIIMS Dental Academy. I am Dr. Neeraj Wadhawan. I am in company of Dr. Sanya Sabharwal and Dr. Ishna Singh. Both of them are from ESIC Dental College, Delhi. Congratulations guys, you made us proud. As usual, our tradition of producing selections and ranks from ESIC Dental College continues even this year.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sanya Sabharwal. I completed my BDS in 2019 from ESIC Dental College. After that, I took a break. I joined a clinic. I was not actually preparing for the either for AIIMS or for NEET, but when it was the COVID time when we all were sitting home, I realized that actually studying is a better option and doing MDS will be a better option for me in the future. So that is what made me join ACE Academy, because as Sir had said that we from ESIC, everyone who had joined ACE Academy, they generally get a good rank and they are able to get it, into good colleges. So that was my motive, and that's when I decided I will join ACE Achievers Academy. And Sir and Ma'am both have been very, very helpful. So joining the academy was very fruitful for me, and the results are here that I'm sitting right now with Sir on this bench today to address everyone. Thank you so much.
Sanya, you have got INI rank 11. So you got a rank in NEET as well, and you have cleared the INI-CET exam as well with a very good rank. So what areas did you focus upon in your preparation?
So firstly, I had made a point with myself that I will be very regular with the academy, that I will be attending all the lectures that happen on Sundays, and I'll be giving all the exams that take place on Saturdays. So that was my main motive, that I have to be regular and I have to read from the standard textbooks. Also, the notes that were provided by the academy, they were very helpful, because making down the notes is a very time-consuming process. So if I am doing that for myself, it will take more time. But the academy takes that pain, ma'am and sir take that pain, and they give us the notes which are very, very helpful. And when it comes to INI-CET preparation, I did all the SR exam papers, all the past AIIMS papers, and I made a separate register for NEET, a separate register for AIIMS. And before the exam, I just studied that AIIMS register to give the exam.
Sanya, special thing about your preparation is you took a drop after your internship, you joined a practice, and you came back from the practice to prepare again for the MDS exams. How difficult was that? Because many of these students are in the dilemma whether they should go into practice right away after the BDS or they should study for the MDS entrance. So what was your experience and what will you recommend to the people out there?
I took a break from studies and I had joined a clinic where I was practicing. But soon in 2020 when COVID hit, and everybody was sitting at home, so I opened up my books and I realized that studying was, very much fun. I was enjoying studying. So I thought to myself that let's give it a try and let's try for MDS. And that was, I guess, the game changer thought that I had in my mind, because as soon as I joined the academy, I would like to share that 2019 when I appeared, I had like 17,500 rank. So because I was not preparing during my internship. But with academy, only for 2 months, I had a 3,500 rank and I could jump 14,000 ranks. So my confidence level with the academy had increased multifold. And that is when I decided that, okay, 2 months preparation, I can jump so much, then definitely in 1 year, I can, achieve what I want. And believe me, my dream was AIIMS. But I thought it's just a dream. It is very difficult to, it is a dream for everyone. It is very difficult to achieve it. But thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you to the entire faculty. You have the best faculty. You have the best teachers and you have the best notes. So And your book is also amazing.
Talking about the book, Sanya, you have focused upon in your preparation the standard textbooks, apart from my textbook. You have focused upon standard textbooks for pictures and all. Which areas did you focus on, apart from the notes and all, whatever we are giving?
Sir, it was that when I was studying, I used to study only from the, in my BDS years. So I studied only from the standard textbooks. I never touched any guides. So one point that definitely I had already seen many pictures. But definitely when, because I had a break in my preparation, so I was not very confident about them. So yes, with the academy, whenever the lectures happened, with every subject, I used to go back to the original textbooks, the standard textbooks, and look for pictures, because there are lots and lots of questions which are picture based. So we used to get these instructions from ma'am and sir that read as many or see as many pictures, read the text that's given below the pictures, and that's how I had went on with the preparations.
Sanya, your NEET rank came as a little dampener. You had a 322 rank in NEET, and 1 week later you had a INI-CET exam in which you scored 11th rank. How did you, make that progress, or why did the NEET exam did not go as per expectation?
So before the NEET exam, definitely I was very, very scared. And I guess that was, pull back to me, because I did not get a very good rank. Even after giving the exam, I was quite sure that my exam did not go as it should have been. So I was very scared whenever there were discussions of the paper, and I absolutely was out of the group, and I was not saying, because it gets a person gets demotivated. So I was very scared after my NEET exam, and I just thought that I have a second chance. God has given a second chance, so let's just do it. And for that last 1 week, from 2nd May to 8th May, I do not know what happened. I was just studying. Because I was so scared, and maybe that was a plus point, that I was very confident that I might not get a good rank in NEET, and that's why I have to study for INI-CET.
So, Sanya, what recommendations would you make to the people out there? So many of them have worked hard, but they could not get selected in either of these exams. So, what would you say to them?
Yes, many of my friends and some of my juniors also contacted me for that how to get motivated for the upcoming NEET and the upcoming INI-CET. So I told them to do one thing which has proved to be beneficial for me, and that was that I had put AIIMS New Delhi picture in my, on my wall, and I also have it on my desktop. I also had it on my, this as a screensaver. So that wherever I go, I just see that I have to do it, I have to clear it. And that's the biggest thing, that you'll not get distracted if you see it everywhere. Be it your washroom, put it everywhere and you'll not get distracted. You'll have that goal in your mind, that you have to study, why you have to study. Keep yourself telling why you have to study.
Thanksgiving, Sanya. You have already thanked ACE achievers quite a lot. Apart from ACE achievers, whom all would you like to thank for your success?
So I would like to start by thanking my parents. My parents have been very, very, very supportive. And they always told me that it does not matter even if you don't get rank. You'll do good in life. So that's what you always want to hear from everyone. Also my friends, my best friends, they have been very, very supportive. Whenever I used to feel demotivated, I used to call them and they used to tell me how to prepare, what to prepare. And every day, they, even if they were busy, they used to pick up my calls. I would really like to thank them. And lastly, I would like to thank God, definitely, because sometimes you really feel that you need that hand over you to actually clear INI-CET.
Actually, you need God's hand for everything in life to even, sustain us through our daily course. We need the hand of God over us. So thanks to all of you. Thanks to Sanya. Thanks to all the ESIC Dental College students who keep on believing in ACE achievers. Now we'll move to the second ESIC student we have with us, Dr. Ishna Singh. She has scored INI-CET rank 2 in her own category. Welcome, Ishna. First of all, big congratulations for having cleared the INI exam. After the result came, how was your emotion? What did you go through in your house?
Hello everyone, my name is Ishna Singh and my All India category rank is 2 in the INI-CET May 2022. Thank you sir for congratulating me. My first reaction when I saw my rank was I was taken aback because it was a great rank for me, and even my parents were in disbelief, but we had to check it a lot of times to confirm it. But definitely we were so happy with the rank, and this all goes back to just sir and ma'am, because they put their everything, they put their hearts and souls in teaching us. They take care of the little small things that matter a lot for us students, which have a great impact on us.
Ishna, we'll talk about your preparation. When did you start? When did you join ACE Achievers? And how you have gone about your preparation?
Sir, I completed my internship in 2021. I was preparing for NEET and INI both during the internship only. I joined ACE Achievers in the start of my internship. I would like to mention it that whenever I used to feel down, Akshika ma'am would always uplift me. She was the best in anxiety control. She would be available all the time. And the entire academy, their tests, their discussions and everything, mock tests, everything was on time. And sir would provide us with a lot of knowledge, ambition and motivation, which is much needed. And we it actually worked out.
Ishna, you talked about the mental part of it, that you went through a lot of emotional breakdowns. Okay, how did you manage the exam time stress, which is perhaps the biggest as far as emotional breakdown is concerned? How did you manage that?
Sir, I think I just kept telling myself that at the end of it all, everybody is just going to see your rank and nobody is going to ask you what happened to you and all your excuses. So therefore, all just have to go through it and just do it. And I just prayed and thanked everyone. I was still under gratitude because I had a lot of support from my friends, family, and the academy. The academy, sir and ma'am, both were like family to me. So everybody motivated me a lot, and we just have to do it. And at the end, we get the power of it. We get power to do it.
Ishna, in between we had the corona times pandemic, and because of that the exam again got delayed from December to March and then from March to May. Was it a boon for you or a bane for you?
No, sir, it was really bad for me because it got postponed twice and I was really confident in December only.
So Ishna came in the category of being unfortunate. What about you, Sanya? You were fortunate or unfortunate?
So I really feel I was fortunate because, if the exam would have happened in December and I would have got an average rank, maybe I cannot judge, but if I had I would have had a average rank, I would have taken any college, I would have taken admission, and I might not have appeared for INI-CET May 2022. So for me, it was a boon, definitely. And also, when we were having mock tests, and I was not able to score very well. So in those discussions, I discussed the entire paper with sir, and sir also told me that looking at your marks, it is a boon, Sanya. You can cover many more topics, and you can be better at many more topics. So in that way, definitely it has been a boon for me.
So Ishna, finally, whom all would you like to thank for success? You've already thanked us, just like Sanya. Who else apart from ACE Achiever would you like to thank?
Of course, my family and my parents for being supportive each and every day, despite of whatever challenges came. Then, of course, my friends, Cherry sir, my senior and my friend who has been there, has the biggest role in all my ranks.
Yeah, regarding Cherry sir, I also remember after his selection, Charanjit had made a special recommendation for Ishna that we have to take good care of her when she is preparing for the next year. I hope we have done that, Ishna. Uh, Apart from ACE achievers and the teachers, more teachers.
Definitely, sir. I would definitely want to thank the entire staff of ASIC Dental College and Hospital. All the professors, believe it or not, whatever practical knowledge that you have given us, as much as practical knowledge that you could have give us, that all that was useful in the exam, because the INI-CET exam was so clinical. And even after the exam, I was thinking, thank God I was from ESIC Dental College, that I was able to attempt nearly all the questions of INI-CET. Thank you.
Ishna, what about you?
Sir, I would like to express my gratitude to all my professors in ASIC because they were excellent teachers to us, and they made our concepts and basis so clear. That is the only reason, that is one of the reasons I am here. So thank you everyone, especially Pranav sir, for motivating us all. Thank you.
I also again want to put it to record that Dr. Pranav from ESIC, Pranav sir takes a very keen interest and absolutely selfless interest regarding the selection of many students from the ESIC. Every year, Dr. Pranav is taking care that more and more students, try to give out their best, and he does it so selflessly without any reason for himself. He is always motivated that the students of ESIC should come on top in every exam. So a personal thanks from me also to Dr. Pranav, that the amount of interest you take in the students, if everybody does that, I think our whole profession, the exam competition would increase, many folds, and many more students would get selection and motivation to go through these exams. So thank you all. Thank you to Sanya and Ishna for making us proud in the exams, and thanks to all of you for listening to us. ACE Achievers will continue to bring out the best in more and more ESIC Dental College students and students from all other dental colleges. Thank you and Jai Hind.